You wake up. You've received a weird letter from your friend Eugene about a weird, rampant spider crane running amok on a deserted island. His name is Thomas the Tank Engine, and it is now our job to murder him. So anyway, subscribe if you want to see more of this type of content. Enjoy. Anyway, welcome to Choo Choo Charles, everyone.
Ooh, baby, you don't know long how this took.
And now the Olympic of sprints begins with Eugene.
Don't look. Don't
Whoopsie.
look at that information. That has my Twitter account. No.
Whoopsies.
Oh God, I can really hear the gravel.
He's getting ahead, Tony. He's gonna get first place in the race.
Not if I 360 shoot.
Okay, am I just dumb? Tony, are you moving around your computer? Because literally, I see a shed and your Windows menu open.
There's a snake this sea.
No, he's not. He's up by the shed.
Well, I can't see it.
Hi. Click off the stream and point to the camera view.
That's what I was doing. I was watching the camera view.
Huh.
He acquired.
Poggers!
Eugene, talk.
Good on you.
God, I'm
Looks like you
cringe.
found it. Open up that door.
We all
and
are.
lead the way.
Amen.
And that's what makes us valid and base, but valid.
Like I said before, I'll say it again. Men will take anything, won't we, fellas?
Exactly. Just guys being guys, I guess.
We don't have standards. We are the standard.
Well, that
Now
delete
time for some of
theory.
the best voice lines in the entire game.
Let me turn up the voice so everyone can appreciate.
The
There we go.
brilliance of the
Max
line.
voice. Peak
brilliant-
performance of Eugene.
Yeah, baby.
We need the
Yeah,
brilliance.
baby.
Coming
That's
for
what we're
you,
talking about. That's what
Charles.
we're waiting for.
Do you hear that?
You're not doing
It's
it!
him!
Damn
It's
it.
him!
Get some heads
Get
down!
The gun! Light him up! Light him up!
Don't let it
Don't
overheat.
He's gone overheat!
He's not taking
He's not taking enough damage! Get some shots!
God bless Eugene. Oh, hi, there he goes.
We're not gonna talk about the stuff that I still can't see.
Are you sure?
Just gotta go with the flow.
It's not loading.
Well,
I
okay,
try-
that's the best. I can hear every inch of Chill's approach. Okay, we can't look at his corpse because of YouTube. He's not dead.
We can't look at his corpse. I've seen his corpse before on YouTube. Look at him.
That's crazy.
Yeah, that's not blood. That's tomato ketchup. Don't worry about it.
He. Alright, bye, Eugene. Good luck, bestie. Try not to die out here.
We're gonna go hunt down Thomas the Tank Engine for ya.
We'll go kill him. Oh, he has a kid. I forgot about that bit.
Yes.
21.
We're gonna play Slavic poker. You win by getting the card AK-47.
Alright, we need to head over there. So we gotta say some fun facts.
Fun fact about what?
About Thomas the Tank Engine. Fun fact number 1: he bleeds the color crimson. I almost said breathes the color crimson.
Fun fact, I have a lot of his merchandise.
You're helping Thomas the Tank Engine. We're trying to murder him.
Yeah. No, we need the blue. We need to become Thomas the Tank. He would have tanked, not tank.
As they say, fight fire with fire. If we are trying to kill Thomas the Tank
Ow.
Engine, we will become Thomas.
that was a lot of damage. Almost dead by a slight miscalculation.
Would Thomas the Tank Engine break the law? Yeah.
Bam. Okay, so we go here. I wish people were quiet.
Would Eugene break the law? Yes. Or at least
I'm pretty sure he has.
there's a very high
Info. Who keeps on leaving?
I think it's gonna refresh the thing.
Well, here we go again. Train move.
Why do I hear Minecraft?
I don't know. That's crazy. You're crazy. I don't hear anything.
Thomas Tank
Get
Engine.
out of here.
I had.
Die.
Eugene, here's the anyone. Check out the back. Good luck with everything.
Thanks. I didn't hear a word you said, but thanks. Let me in. Open up. Give me your scrap. This is a muggin. In the bound.
For
Ow.
ruffian. For
Ow,
ruffian.
leg.
Break into my house.
George.
For ruffian. Into my house with the dare and determination to face down Thomas the Tank Engine. I do say, what a good show there, good chap.
Do not make our audience regret us.
Let's aim
I
for
hope-
his pools of
I hope
blood.
that fled everyone's hood. I hope this noise haunts your dreams.
Oh god.
And I'm only gonna do it that one time, I swear. On
You
nothing.
just hear more train whistling in the back? Oh god.
That'd be epic.
One of one got some here.
He's got some stuff for us. Now we go through
Yeah,
these corpses.
Yeah, it's some satanic ritual tablets. I definitely say the voice acting and atmosphere of this game, they nailed.
You got anything in here? Got any scrap? Nope. 9.
We go looking for scrap.
La bam. Bam, I'll tone stuff down. It is loud, I apologize. Actually, I'm gonna keep it like this. To get people more involved. Actually, in a thunderstorm.
Just fire the gun. 7 million people found dead by their computers with strange YouTube video on.
This video will
Earn my
kill
respect.
you.
Here's some scrap.
At 3 a.m., gone wrong, gone sexual, gone tank engine.
What the hell? I don't think we should be incentivizing getting down bad with the tank engine.
I didn't tell people to do it, but if they do, they do. That's no problem.
We believe our
That's their issue, not mine. I think that's like the local FBI problem.
Exactly. Which
Like,
means not ours.
The FBI just sees people looking up down bad images of Thomas the Tank Engine. It's already too late for them. SWAT the house! SWAT the house!
I'm gonna turn everything down a bit.
Do you think our FBI agents watch our text feeds like a sitcom?
Like it turns them on, or
No, a sitcom. We're
yeah.
we're texting someone and they're just like, come on, it's obvious they like you. Come on.
They are the coach.
What's happening?
We were
Sorry.
talking about how our FBI agents are watching our phones like a sitcom.
Why? What
Because
are y'all?
it's true.
What are y'all doing?
That's where the conversation went. We're hunting down Thomas the Tank Engine, and then suddenly we're talking about FBI agents.
I was gone for 5 minutes. What happened?
A lot of things.
I mean, we freed all of France, if you're wondering.
Yeah, we put him out of France. The best thing we could have done.
For 5 fucking.
I hope.
Oh, we get to see Gary.
Pardon
Jerry.
my language. Chwat. Cat, not twat. Chat.
Jerry, please.
Jerry.
Let's just look epically at Jerry. Yep, everything's on. Don't hit me. Don't you
Jerry's the
Get
best.
to me.
Jerry's the
Jerry,
best.
stop it.
Stop moving!
Huh?
He has the brain the size of a walnut. He cannot.
Jerry. Do not talk to me. Don't.
Don't
Redacted.
stop me, cause I'm having a good time.
Hey, we're gonna get sued.
I know. I stopped.
We're almost there. Oh.
Yeah, we're almost on the track to get sued, man.
Oh yeah. Charles can get us. So while we're avoiding Jerry, Charles can also join the battle.
There is a certain song playing in the back of my mind about being at the halfway point of a certain thing, but I don't feel like singing it.
Jerry, get out of me.
You know,
Jerry.
it's probably you don't feel like singing it because I don't want us to get sued. We only have like.
I mean, we could edit it out or just blur censor it.
Jerry, please. Chills can show up any second now.
I don't know how to do that yet, though.
Fish.
Now you have to go back in the water.
I know how this works. The audience, you've played this before.
I feel like Jerry hits the same type of way to me as like a specimen from Spooky Jump Scare Mansion did. Like, it had all these notes around the area about like this spooky entity lurking inside the vents, and then you had to go into the vents.
You know, that's kind of sus, bro.
And like the witch is like telling you like, oh, there's a swamp monster, and then you have to go in the swamp.
We're just gonna completely ignore my own joke.
Jerry, please.
Yeah, no, I
Stop.
got it.
Jerry, stop. Bad Jerry.
That's Charles, right?
Huh?
Did you see that?
Yeah, Jules can spawn here.
Yeah, I saw Charles.
That's crazy.
Not a damn care in the world, even though I'm pretty sure Charles is not the greatest here.
Yeah, because you can't run.
If we can get to that house, we're good. But Jerry's a camper.
Jerry is, sucking some dick right now.
Most
Wait.
fish.
Whatever. Sorry, guys.
And who can blame him? Fish look pretty soft. Jerry, please.
God, I hate that.
Jerry, I haven't done anything to you yet.
Sorry if I sound very uncomfortable whether my throat like hell.
And the key
Whoa.
also
Tasty yummer stew. Audience, grab your paper, grab your notes, get your boiling pot and campfire ready. This is how you make swamp juice. Mmm. Need swamp water.
Because we all need that in our lives. We all need the nutrients, honestly. Let's be honest.
Exactly. You need swamp water, salt,
No, I'm just saying, swamp water is second to none to pickle juice. We'll find out how to make that later.
But here's how you make tasty, yummy swamp water. You need swamp water, obviously. Salt, clover, dirt.
Of course,
salt.
You can't make swamp water without swamp water. There's
obviously. But you also need human meat and salt and salt and salt.
All right,
and human meat
so I got everything on that list, but there's one thing that's just a little hard to get. The grocery stores are out of salt. Like, I got everything else on that list. But
you can't make it without the salt. No.
I got everything else on that list. But when I went to the grocery store to get the salt, they were out.
Well, Drew, audience, looks like we're not gonna have a taste test.
Drew, no, I got plenty of salt for you.
Hell yeah!
Your mother is your mother is a war crime. Wrong kind of salt.
I didn't need to be personally attacked today.
That just happens. We take those.
Bro,
you take those.
I went through all of this trouble to get you guys a human liver, and then you guys just throw it away.
I didn't throw away the human liver. He did that.
Oh yeah, true. You're not getting any. I'm sorry, Ted. You're not getting any swamp water.
Well, let's go. Swamp water's back on the menu.
At least from my ship. You ain't getting any
swamp water. I have my own pickle juice.
Oh, you have pickle juice?
I have pickle juice, bro.
What
No,
stations
that
anymore?
can't be. Give me the paint.
Use it here. I don't.
Let's go. We got a bug spray.
God, I'm concerned for my sanity. My IQ drops 7 digits every single time I talk to you guys on this stupid recording.
No, 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 no. It increases. We
Like,
now
I'm
know how to
just
make
saying,
swamp
you
water.
gotta I'm just saying, I'm okay with this doing numbers, and I mean a number on my brain cells, but God forbid it does so much.
We're gonna go here and then backwards.
Like, I swear I have trouble writing, like, the morning after we record.
Prepare the break. Stop.
Like,
Recording, we're just existing, bro.
reading and writing becomes an issue every single time I get on recording with you guys.
Come on, let's go. Scrap. Grab it all. Let me in. Ah!
I would say I can't tell my left from my right, but I can barely do that to begin with. I'm like holding up like the I'm like holding up like the 2L thing. It's supposed to be like which one makes an L is the right L. But when I hold up 2Ls, they both look like L's.
Then you're
Bam.
doing, bro. Mr. Gaming Links.
What was the
Okay,
question?
we got some green for the swamp water.
Oh, what were you saying, Ty? I'm sorry, I didn't hear that.
I said it sounds like a skill issue, Mr. Gaming Links.
Well, no, so it sounds like a skill issue.
Being
Not
named.
being able to hit that like subscribe button down below. God, I'm cheap.
No. What else is a skill issue? Is being named Andrew, but shortening your name to Drew.
Okay, you don't need to dox me. You don't need to dox me. You don't need to dox me.
He lives in Ohio.
Exactly.
Hawaii.
Down in Ohio. I feel like you could put that song over this game for like the entirety of this game and just have it work.
No, this is Florida. 100% sure.
this
You know, Ohio just saved Florida. Everyone now judges Ohio. Florida is getting away with its crimes. I'm just saying.
Shadow Realm. No, I ain't sending you to there. I'm sending you to Florida.
I'm sending you to Horny Joe.
Like, I'm just saying, who would win? The entirety of Germany or Florida?
I
Kirby.
think that's a good point. Now we
I'm just
gotta
saying,
go there.
Germany isn't even the size of Texas. Like, we just throw Texas at them and it feels like we win.
Down. We are traveling. Welcome back. Okay, let's continue.
We decided to cut out the long journey.
Don't come back here. When you cut, like it's a very obvious cut like that, you should put like a loading screen say, "Please, studio error and by."
Yeah, that's pretty cool. That's not happening. The audience already knows that's
We
not
don't
happening.
have enough
They didn't
editing
do it.
prowess for that. We do not have enough editing prowess for that. I feel like
The
we could
audience knew that ain't happening because it didn't happen.
Exactly. Uh-oh, looks like the video's just fart sound effects.
What is
Whoopsie. I swapped the audio again. Man, I'm gonna
Whoopsie.
die.
Ah, darn. Oh man, looks like the thumbnail's it looks like the thumbnail's not Thomas the Tank Engine, it's actually just Ohio.
Ooh,
Actually,
that should be part 2.
Actually, it would kind of work.
That's part 2. That's part 2.
I don't think anybody would complain if the thumbnail was Ohio.
No, it's literally just a picture of Ohio on the map.
Stop. Nope. Skidda beep beep bop. Skidda boop boop bop beep bop.
It's just like pulling up the. Like, I just pull up like a statistic of how many railroads there are in Ohio.
Pickle lady. We might learn how to make pickle juice.
Oh hell yeah!
Pickle juice. Woo!
Pickle juice, swamp water. We combine the two gods' gifts.
And it makes complete garbage. They should not be ever combined. God's gift should not be combined, and you know this. Where has Thomas the Trank? I almost said Trank again. Where has Thomas the Tank been? Where has this man been? Like, where is he?
Do not summon him. He is like creepypastas. You talk about him, they get summoned.
Thomas the Tank Engine is a freaking
Hey,
pussy.
you better
Like,
not say that. You better not say Thomas the Tank Engine one more time.
Thomas the
Wait,
Tank,
fuck.
Tank Engine, Thomas the Tank Engine. You just hear like a crashing noise from my mic and screaming. Like,
Well, that happened on my end because I banged my legs. Snip. Bang. Fuck.
God,
Epic. Gamer.
welcome back to
God.
our 5 of our
Yeah.
playthrough.
Ooh.
Tony,
Yippee. Pickle acquired.
pickles acquired.
Pickle. God's
Pickle.
words.
Pickle. It's like a Pokemon, like pickle.
Now I gotta run over.
I'm gonna play a little iddle on my pickle. Oh, wait a minute, that sounds wrong.
Now I gotta go fast. Thomas, don't get me. Ow, my legs.
Thomas the Tank Engine for your soul. Thomas the Tank Engine doesn't exist.
Oh, does he?
I'm trying to jinx it, frick you.
Who just left? Who just joined? We don't know, and you won't either.
I thought you were about to say, oh, save my
The
sweat.
call for 40 minutes.
What?
We've been in the call for 40 minutes.
I'm gonna get in the thing to check.
I feel like we need to encounter. Carl. Sorry.
We've been recording for 24 minutes. We got time,
Like-
audience.
And some of that's gonna be cut. I feel like we need to encounter Charles at least once.
I agree, but Charles doesn't like to be encountered. So, whoop-de-doo.
Thomas, not Charles. Call him by his real name. His real name's Thomas.
I'm sorry. Audience, viewers. I warned you. Oh, showing up! He's showing up! Get in the tree! Get in the stupid tree! Get in the tree! Get in the tree! God dang it! Why?
We at the motel.
Oh my god!
He said, he said, "Are you hopping out of the train?" I bet.
Stupid spider train! Stop it!
Thomas the
Bad
Tank
boy.
Engine coming for your goddamn
L
throat.
plus ratio! He's gone. Oh, never mind!
He said, "I bet."
You said, I'm not dead.
I ain't dead. I got better.
What are you gonna do now, stupid train? Goodbye, Thomas.
He turns even more British than Tony.
The gun's cooled.
Thomas,
No!
stop it. The gun's overheating. Get some heads, son.
Eugene, this is for you.
And with the threat from Season 1 defeated, will he truly be gone forever? Find out next time on the next thrilling episode of Stand By Studios.
That
Like
stupid
and
train.
If you want to see more. And we will see you next time.
What?